Hello, little friends! Today, we're going to learn about all the amazing ways we travel on land, through water, and up in the air. But first, do you know what helps us travel far and near every day? It's called transportation. Transportation means how we move from one place to another. It helps us get to school, the park, the store, or even on vacation. People also use transportation to carry things like toys, food, and clothes. So, transportation makes our day easier and more fun. Isn't that amazing? Now you know what transportation means. Ready to learn about all the different ways we can travel? Let's go! Let's start with a bicycle. Bicycles have two wheels, and you make them go by pedaling with your feet. They don't need gas or batteries, just your energy and a big smile. You can ride a bike in the park, on a bike path, or just around your neighborhood. Now, here comes a motorbike. A motorbike has two wheels too, but it runs on gas and has an engine. Motorbikes are great for grown-ups who want to go fast. And guess what? Motorbike riders always wear helmets to stay safe. Look, it's a car. Cars have four wheels and drive on roads. Families use cars to go to school, the store, the park, or even on vacation. Cars run on petrol or electric power, and everyone wears seatbelts to stay safe. Here comes a van. A van looks like a big car but has more space inside. Some families use vans for long trips, and some vans deliver packages. Look at that big yellow bus. That's a school bus. School buses pick up children and take them safely to school every day. Now here's a regular bus. It picks up people from bus stops all around the city. Buses help lots of people travel without driving cars. Sometimes buses even take people to nearby towns. Here comes a huge truck. Trucks are strong and powerful. They carry heavy things like big boxes, furniture, and building supplies like bricks, wood, cement, and pipes, etc. Trucks also help deliver things from farms or factories to stores. Next stop is the train station. Trains have many cars connected like a long snake. They ride on special tracks called rails that help them go straight and fast. Trains carry people on long trips and also move cargo like coal and minerals for power, big machines, brand new cars, mail, and packages. They carry heavy things that are too big or going too far for trucks to deliver. Before we move on, let's check out what we learned. We saw bicycles, motorbike, car, van, school bus, bus, truck, and train. Do you know what they all have in common? They all move on the ground, on roads, or tracks. These are called means of land transportation. Great job, friends! That's it for today's adventure on land. In our next video, we'll fly through the sky and float across the water with some amazing new vehicles. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and see you soon. Bye-bye.